8S.
8S.
Okay.
Yeah, I just got to get the engine running on that biplane and it's ready to go.
Let me know when you're going to make
My
it.
spinner's
See that.
spinner's a little wiggly.
Have fun.
I don't know why it beeps like that. Quit beeping. Alrighty. Time to fly this big girl. We've got very little wind out here today. It finally died down. It is hot. It's like 95 degrees out here. All right. So, surface check. Left goes up, right goes up, elevator goes up, rudder goes to the left, rudder goes to the right. We've got throttle. Alrighty. So this is the 73-inch Red Bull, I don't remember what his name is, Martin something, replica plane from 3D Lab Prints. We're flying on 8S. I have already Maiden this once before I painted it. I wanted to make sure it was going to fly. Everything went fairly smooth. So today's just another flight. We're going to Maiden the paint job. How about that? So you get to see this thing in the air. Alrighty. No time better than right now. We lost something. Well, that sucks. We were pulling, but it wasn't pulling. I don't think that one's in good shape anymore. Well, that definitely ejected that shit. Holy cow. Hard to say what that was because it's all just disintegrated now. Well, we had kind of an unfortunate flying experience with that one. That could have went better. It was still fun, but man, I really wish this stuff would quit hitting the ground. Not exactly sure what happened there. It seemed like I had part of my tail, like the elevator quit working. I don't know if something, I can't see anything that came unplugged, but the damage was quite catastrophic. There's the propeller. All of this stuff just kind of unprinted itself. Hey, this thing, I just reprinted it, did not break it. Ripped the screws out, did not break it. Not really sure what happened though, so that was the end of that airplane. I've had this thing printed for 2 years and I have yet to fly it. Well, I flew it about a month ago. I flew it 1 pack. And it did okay. It just didn't land the greatest. That piece broke on my landing, but one piece to reprint, and away we went again. I painted it. Ruined both my packs. These were 4S 5000s. Both of them got smashed. But everything, I can't tell what happened, to be honest. I'll have to review footage and look. It was kind of responding, but not like it's supposed to, so I don't know what happened. It was flying pretty good up until that point. What do? Build another one, we'll crash another one. I didn't like this one anyways. Hopefully the next one will be better. Dan's flying right now. That thing is made out of a piece of gutter tube. It's a little home built. He flies that thing about every time he's out here. And it just keeps going. It's got rubber bands that hold the wing on, so when you crash it, the wing pops off. And I think it's made out of some kind of cardboard or something like that. Look at that. You just can't kill that little thing. So we're taking home a pile of plastic tonight. And my foamy, which did okay. She's back to flying again. So, till next time, thanks for watching. If I had to guess, I think this failed in flight. So I only had half of an elevator basically. It started acting really weird and I couldn't pull up. Every time I gave it elevator, it did like a spiral, which this I think, but this hit the ground so hard.